Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for coming. So we're here to announce the dates of our carnival in Samba Square. So 10th of Feb is the day of the carnival. Now the route will be exactly the same from Pata to Kala Academy. Tourism Minister has already announced also. One special occasion also is Mr. Francisco Martin. It's his 50th year for designing floats. Now he's been recognized nationally and internationally also as one of the prestigious float makers also. So we will be honouring him and facilitating him on that day also. It's a very special occasion for all of us. Now Samba Square will be in the same venue on the same dates from the 10th to the 13th. So we've booked all of the top bands of Goa and yeah, the last day also will be Red and Black by Club Vasco. Club National, sorry. And yeah, that's it. Any questions?
So that is 11th day we have. 11th Sunday we have.
See, on the 11th. So on the 11th, basically we have. So 11th is one of our main days, and on that day we basically have Queen. So that's one of it's like an internationally recognized band. They played for audiences of 10,000 to 20,000 people also. So they will be one of the highlight bands for our entire event. Yeah. Any questions? Route is exactly the same. Nothing changed. Location of Samba Square also is exactly the same. There is no change in any of that.
What is the number of floats that will have?
So it will be on the last. So the screening will happen on the day of the carnival. So depending on how many participants. I'm assuming it will be the same as last year also. How many participants that we had.
Dates of application.
Yeah. So applications, we're accepting applications from tomorrow till the 5th of Feb. Yeah. No, categories will be the same. Yeah. So this format will be basically the same and everything also. That tourism will be, that's a tourism thing. So tourism will have their first float followed by the CCB float and everything and everybody else after that.
We'll be calling this
Yep.
one. We'll be calling traffic and.
Yeah, so traffic on that day, traffic and pollution control will. The floats are this thing, no? That pollution control, we will speak to them and see what issues. So anything that we will clarify with everything also. Yeah, so they will come for their on that day to clarify and see what issues there are and everything also.
Tourism decision.
That tourism will decide the thing. Yeah, no issue. Yeah? Be the CCB float. That is it. And rest will be from all over Goa and everything also.
After this carnival, then it will be similar storage. So any issues as far as the city or the works which are going on because of that or anything like that, maybe from outside or inside, anything you all have to see.
The main road is clean. No?
See, the main road is, as of now also we'll have to check and see what the situation is with all the smart city works also. If any adjustments have to be made, we will sit and discuss it with the committees and everything and check and see how it will. So as of now, no decision has been made. We'll sit with the Shikmo committee and make that thing later.
During carnival time, how the traffic will be diverted?
See, that again also now we will have to sit with traffic police to make sure. Now they also have given us their full support. They will make all the arrangements
Right now
necessary.
the issue is about the...
And so roads are blocked and also there's a lot of issue also. Yeah.
Suddenly, whatever they do, the bill will come on you.
No, I understand. That is why. So before that also we will, so before that we will take the traffic police also. We will take their assessment. But as we have faith that they will discharge the thing properly also.
Everything will be smooth.
We will be smooth. Yeah. No issue. Yeah. Thank you.